How to change the font of Netflix subtitles. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the font of your Netflix subtitles. So, if you try to change the subtitle font from your Netflix app, there you simply won't find any option as to how you can do that. So in order to change your subtitle font, you'll have to do it through your browser. So simply open any browser which you like, and once you've done that, simply go to netflix.com. After that, it'll ask you to log into your Netflix account. So simply log into your Netflix account, and once you've logged in, your page will look somewhat like this. So once you're on this page, tap on the little three lines on the top left corner of your screen. After that, go to account just under your name. Now you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to scroll down until you see the option profile and parental controls. Now tap on any one of your profile and then scroll down. There you'll see the option named subtitle appearance. So simply tap on change, and now you'll be able to change how your subtitles appear. So in order to change the font, simply tap on this block, and now you can choose all of these different fonts available. So for now, let us choose typewriter, and now as you can see, the font will appear somewhat like this. So that is basically how you change Netflix subtitle font. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.